Have you ever opened the fridge at your friend's place and faced a wave of horse sweat aroma? Perhaps that friend is you. Pause the video and check it. Not so good, right? You can always clean your fridge, but why should you? Just kidding. You should clean your fridge at least once in a while. But sometimes, even inside the cleanest fridge, some foods can create unpleasant odors. For over a century, millions of people have used baking soda as the ultimate solution for absorbing bad smells and humidity. But baking soda boxes or similar containers will take up much of your refrigerator space and will not look so good doing it. We won't bear it anymore. Introducing Joe Snow, the cool fridge deodorizer. Joe's innovative and unique design will make the most of your baking soda. He'll make sure your fridge always stays fresh and smells great while looking good, no matter where you put him. So how does it work? Open Joe's Throne. Add some baking soda, or as most people know it, sodium bicarbonate. Close the throne. Place Joe anywhere you'd like and let him do all the heavy lifting. Final step, worship Joe. For the last year, we've put forth a great effort to develop and bring our vision to life. An outstanding and creative design with high efficiency. We've started the production process. Now we need your help to find Joe a cold home in your fridge. 5% of our entire fundraising campaign will go to the Polar Bears International organization. Supporting this campaign means supporting polar bears around the world. Dear backers, now is your chance. Be among the first supporters of this project on Indiegogo and get 20 to 50% off with free international shipping worldwide. Support us now. Ugh, I can't believe this guy. Why can't he eat like a normal person?